Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about demonstrative pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example, I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, and who, and etc. Noun. A noun is a word that describes person, place, or thing. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to specific people or things within a sentence. Examples for demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Demonstrative pronouns can be classified into singular and plural. Near in the distance or time, singular this. Near in the distance or time, plural these. Far in distance or time, singular that. Far in distance or time, plural those. Examples for demonstrative pronouns. This place looks good. This is the demonstrative pronoun. These are bad times. These are the demonstrative pronouns. These perfumes smell nice. These are the demonstrative pronouns. That is excellent. That is demonstrative pronoun. Can you help me open that door? That is a demonstrative pronoun. Don't play with those people. Those are the demonstrative pronouns. Those were historical places. Those were the demonstrative pronouns. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Write your comments in the comments box below. Subscribe and click the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.